Hi, this is Steve Moyer, and I'm with Josh Strobl from evovid.com. Hi, Josh.
Hello.
And we're going to do a little bit of a brief intro into the MetaLinks technology that operates at nodes.net. And it's really pretty simple. You can search anywhere without having to go there. Well, anywhere that we currently cover. Right now, I think there's about 20 different search engines. So, for example, if I want to search Google Images for flowers, I've already done this, so it's in my buffer. You can see that, my browser buffer. flowers.images.nodes.org. And this would work at nodes.net too, the same way. So I'm immediately searching Google Images for flowers without having to first go to Google and type in flowers and then click images. So it saves you time. And also, since it's in your buffer, one of the favorite places I like to go is oil.nodes.org. See that? It popped up. Now it's going to take me to show me the oil prices at bloomberg.com. And I don't have to remember the actual address of things. I make a meta link and it associates a word with a place on the internet. And you can also do particular site searches, like Dianook is a site that I go to often. So let's say Tokyo.dianook.nodes.org. And this is going to search the Dianook website using Google and a parameter for site Dianook. And it did a search for Tokyo at dianook.org. So eventually we may have thousands or even millions of different words that you could put in the second position. Now, if you just type a word like weather.nodes.org, you'll get the weather for where I live, Burlington, Vermont. But if you want to type find the weather for someplace else, hey, what's your zip code, Josh?
89027.
89027?
Yeah, and I just realized I shared that with the world.
Yeah, you better hide yourself now.
Yeah.
All right, 89027.weather.nodes.org. Let's see where you live. Mesquite, Nevada.
Nevada.
Nevada, excuse me. It's 101.9 where you are.
Yeah.
Does that sound right?
Yeah, sounds just about right.
Now, that's pretty cool, but let's do the clever thing. What should I put into the clever bot?
I have no idea.
Do you do
Do
you
you
dance?
like me?
Do you like
Uh,
me? All right. And the clever bot's interface is clever.nodes.org. Now, oh, I didn't type it right. It's error, error. Go back to, oh, look at that. It found something anyhow. Do you like a dating service? Now, this is pretty cool, actually, because what happens when you put something into the MetaLink and it doesn't know what to do with it? It passes it off to Google I'm Lucky search, and Google will take you somewhere, which is what just happened. It took us here. Let me try that again. Do you like, but spell it correctly this time, clever. Do you like me? Clever.nodes.org. This will interface with the Cleverbot, which is an intelligent program, right?
yeah.
Somewhat. I mean, this is the beginning of where intelligence is going, and I really want to see intelligence on the internet. So, whatever you want to do in terms of a program that does some intelligent search, yes. Do you like me? Yes, I like you. Oh, wow. Talking to a clever bot. you could have your own word, and this is where the business model for Nodes.net comes in. Is that you will register with Nodes Network your word, and we will distribute it to all the nodes as to where is your search engine or agent or whatever it is. It's a program, right? So you can build your own interface to the network, the Nodes Network, through a word that would be your word. In the second position. In first position, it would just take you somewhere, like steve.nodes.org takes you to my page, which is a meta module using my meta search software. Has a video, but I'm not going to show the video. And then it has 10 of my websites. My blog comes up first. The Dow plunged on Friday. Did you realize that? 500 points. Anyhow, you've got different. You can edit this. 10 different sites here that you can have in one module, and then you can also have a video and audio. That's what the audio is there and the video is there. I'm not going to get into this in this video. I'm going to stay focused on the MetaLinks. But the point being is you could have your own name at nodes.net to take people somewhere in particular, or to use a search engine that you like, or one that you create through Google. Okay, Google can make a search engine for any site, right?
Right.
So what else do we have to work with here? What's the... here's all the ones that are in there right now. These are all the search engines that are available right now. Dianuk CNTV. Oh, that's Chinese news. Yeah, Chinese news? OpenLib, Time. Oh, Time's cool. Let's show them Time. Let's see, where should we show Time for?
Sweden.
Sweden. .time.nodes.org.
I don't know if it'll do country though.
Oh, it'll do fine. It'll just list all the different cities in Sweden. And then you can pick your city. And then you'll get weather as well down here.
Malmo.
There's the weather. Yeah, it's pretty nice in Sweden today. Not 101, it's 61. All right, so that's the Time interface. Let's look here. Thrift is an interesting one. That's a thrift shopper if you like to save money. Let's put in a Seattle.thrift.nodes.org. Whoops, that didn't work. Oh, it's zip code. It's by zip code. 18969. That's where I used to live. That's in Pennsylvania. Yep, it works. And it found all these thrift shops. Pretty actually cool, you know. You can save money at thrift shops, buy secondhand stuff. What else we have? Acronyms. Those are fun. Give me a good acronym to look up, Josh. MIP.
What?
MIP. M-I-P. Do you know what that means?
No.
Well, it probably has more than one meaning. Oh, it does indeed.
Do you know what job means?
No, what?
Just over broke.
Just over broke, yeah. MIP could mean Moon Impact Probe. These are all the definitions of MIP. Main line pipeline. Okay, well, here's a good one. Let's do Urban Dictionary. Give me a good word for Urban Dictionary. Righteous.
Sacchinitis.
No, don't make me spell something like that. Righteous.urban.nodes.org.
No, Godzilla.
Godzilla! There's a definition of righteous, huh? Containing the best possible attributable qualities. Awesome, amazing, cool, exciting. Yeah, okay. So here you could do Godzilla.urban.nodes.net. I already had done that one, so did you notice how it came up in the browser?
Right.
This is one of the very cool things about MetaLinks, because they will come up, usually within 2 or 3 characters. So if you've ever been there in recent history, You won't have to type the whole thing. And you can put them into sites like Facebook. And also, that's another advantage of MetaLinks. Facebook is blocks some sites. Did you know that?
It doesn't surprise me. They block a lot of stuff from Google Plus.
So this is a way of getting around those censorship blocks. You make a MetaLink for the website you want to create, and then you go there. So you can post the MetaLink on Facebook, but you can't post the actual site that they're censoring. Oh, and also in YouTube, you can't do it. YouTube, you can't put in an HTTP in a comment, right? But you can put a MetaLink in without the HTTP, and people will understand what it is. So it's a way around their trying to control you so you don't put a link into your comment of a video on YouTube. They're very useful. Oh, let's show people how to make them, shall I?
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
Oh, Super. I want to show. Did I show Super yet? Super is very good because it's a Strobl interface. Let's say, what should I search for? Fukushima.super.nodes.org. Strobl takes out the advertisings from a Google search, and it gives you 100. So you get 100 results and no advertising. It's a Google search. Google search is what it is, but it's called Strobl. And instead of calling the interface Strobl, I called it Super. So you just type whatever you were, love.super.nodes.org, and it'll just go to Strobl and search for love and give you 100 results. It's very cool. Now, to show you how to do one of these things at the moment, there's going to be another interface, but MetaMind. And let's say, well, what should I do? http://love.super.nodes.net. Hey, that's cool. I'll make that into a MetaLink. Metalinking a MetaLink. What will I call it? I'll call it Super Love. Right? Okay, now let's go to a blank window and type superlove.nodes.org. You could type org or net. It doesn't matter. It works the same way. This should do it for us. It did. You see how that worked?
Yeah.
So you can hook them into each other too. That's nice. This is the interface for MetaMind. You have a MetaLink option, and you just put the URL that you want to make a MetaLink for, and then you put the word you want to make there. Now, what I want to do is get a lot of people to make MetaLinks on their own servers, and then we'll share the data in the open. That's the vision of the Nodes Network, is to create a open data quality discernment system. One of the things you'll be able to do when it's all done is you'll be able to endorse, and this is not what it's going to look like, this is just what it looks like right now. You're going to be able to endorse one of these MetaLinks and say, well, what is it? Is it a product? Is it a company? Is it an idea? Is it a proposal? Is it a person? And then you'll be able to say something else about it. You could email your endorsement to somebody. The idea being that we can keep track of where the good stuff is. And this is going to be a different search paradigm, so that we'll find the good stuff based on our endorsements of Nodes MetaLinks. All right, I guess that's about it for now. Go to metamind.us and sign up, because when you sign up there, you'll have an account at nodes.net, and you'll be on your way.
Very cool.
Thanks for doing the screencast with me, Josh.
No problem.